super hyper and I can't control her. And I noticed a while ago that it had something to do with what she ate, but I couldn't tell what it was. Because, I mean, it wasn't just sugar. Because she could have chocolate ice cream one night and go to bed, but the next night if she had sherbet, it was crazy. I couldn't get her to pay attention. She wouldn't stay still. She wouldn't listen to me. Timeout, she wouldn't even sit in timeout, so she was just bouncing off the walls. Didn't want to do anything that I told her to do, was going from one thing to another. I started putting 2 and 2 together when I found out about the Feingold diet. And I read research on it, and it was mainly yellow 5. And I had given her one night a yellow spree, I remember it, and she was just crazy hyper. She wouldn't go to sleep. And then the next night, or like a month later, she had gotten sick, and the doctor said to give her Benadryl to make her sleep. Well, I gave her the dyed red Benadryl, and she did not go to sleep. She was up to like 2 in the morning. So once I read about the different dyes and stuff and how it can make them hyper, I put 2 and 2 together, and I've changed her diet, and it's been amazing. Since I've taken out the food coloring, there are certain additives that she's amazingly better. You could totally tell when she has it and when she doesn't. I didn't think there was a problem with her before. I thought she was just a hyper kid, so I didn't do anything. I didn't get her tested, or I just assumed that's how she was and I'd have to deal with it. And she's not necessarily bad, she just can't sit still and she can't do what the other kids are doing because she's constantly going from one thing to another to another to another. And she's into everything and she's just hyper. It's immediate, I could tell. Within like 20 minutes of her eating it, that it's done. She's done, I could tell. She's just hyper. I can't tell her what to do. She basically turns into a really bad brat when she does have it. But when she doesn't, I mean, she's like a normal child. You know, there's some things she does want to do and some things she doesn't. But I can tell because she's just uncontrollable. I can't tell her what to do or anything. When she has the certain yellow 5 or certain additives or colors, I've noticed.
You know right away.
Yep.